Ublay Pibaro Shakatup Khubor Jangi Kadon Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakong san mentakas ngigilong. Penbena Menteri Rangba ukonrat ke sangma iki jingkershan nagbenta kabha kamiat jong kisipai balasong tan. Penlong pakhang office ki Garo Hills Banweng Chief Executive Member. Kot Jingalang ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ban kentiu iki kam ya lekai. But pelat banyat kali odd even banaj bu school. Tementang ni apaj ki Khubor ki bakham banya. Menteri Rangba ukorat ke sangma mentakas ngi ulalet banya shim benta haka Jingalang jong ki sipai bala shong that batip kum ke ex-servicemen rally bala penlong ha Assam Regimental Center ha Happy Valley ha Shillong. Habakran hakate gasngi Menteri Rangba ukonrat ke sangma ula penbenai ki jingkershan jong ka Sorkar Jilla na kabenta ki sipai bala shong that. Menteri Rangba ulaya thuru ya ka jingai jaka jong ka Sorkar Jilla na kabenta jongki. Hakani kasngi Menteri Rangba ukorat ke sangma ula samru ek jing yo ex gracia ki khusnam bat ki jing ai sngo bahai ki sipai bala shong thai. Hakani kasngi lai shim bantaru da ki he sipai ringkat bat ki bahai hasam jongki.
And I can assure you that the government is in the process of examining all of those aspects. And in the future, we will try from the government side to ensure that we as a government are able to give maximum support and maximum benefit to the ex-servicemen and the Veer Naris from the government of Meghalaya side. The ex-gracia to the next of kin of the martyrs and disabled soldiers will be enhanced from the existing 15 lakhs to be revised to 20 lakhs. I'm also happy to announce that we have decided that the exemption should be given for the house tax of the ex-service men and men and widows, ex-servicemen men or the widows residing in Meghalaya, including in the municipal areas.
Ka North East Venture Fund ka kunhun ka babay pisa nagamta ki jingseng kam ha ka dong shatay lammi ngi da ka jingkershan jo ka North Eastern Development Finance Corporation Limited mentakas ngi kala penbena ban penlong ka Startup Investment Fest ar puar. Ka thong jong ka ni ka jingthmu ka long ban plelat plelenti ki nong seng kam seng jam jong ki pratali ki jilla jong ka dong shatay lammi ngi.
Several startup ventures being set up in the Northeast. We put it in our connectivity. And as you would all know, there have been significant improvements in all these sectors. For example, in railways, all the state capitals are getting connected to Broadgauge 9 to the rest of the country. Similarly, national highways, in many cases, are reaching all state capitals and beyond. For example, in Khubor will reach to the very last tip of the Indian territory.
Kiseng Bhalang ka Garo Hills mentakas ngi kilasdang ya ka jing pakhang office man kendang ya Chief Executive Member jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council Rakesh Newar sangma ubam dei ureu luom Garo. Hakani ka jing pakhang office kradon ka jing yatung kho hapadeng kinong ya ki but uwe MDC Grahambel sangma ubalarung jubor shapo ka office jong ka council wat hapadeng ka jing persha jong kinong ya ki. Habakran hagila pathai Khubor, President jong ka Association of Democracy and Empowerment, dalseng bira CH Moment, ulaong baka jingye ki jong ki kalong banyo no da ugaro CEM.
Aru mijalo CEM ni aganat kapa kathana chinga dege aganat taskinga. Bia mijalo bini statement ungapao. Democratically elected ungapade ungapakode jiko suwata manayan ungapataki aganjok. Bini aganata 잔치형 오데바 비니아가 나왔다 옹왕 오데 악탈 알리코바 달로 방갈 muslim sakani MDC 동아 도거 디와랑 거비 MDC 온겐마
Hakaway pat kalyang Menteri Rangba ukonrat ke sangma uloong ba ambaro kiseng bhalang ki dei ki balalet isno bat kinong yakhi.
There are some NGOs, I would say some because other NGOs have backed out. There are many other NGEA, which is the Employee Association, has also backed out. And all of them are now allowing the district council to function. There are few very limited hand-picked NGOs who are still trying to create some kind of situation, and they're trying to raise some issues. And I have been reiterating this again and again that the selection of the CEM has been done in a democratic manner, and there has been no interference from my side or the party's leadership. Therefore, it is democratically elected process, and that's the process that should be followed. And it is the will of the MDCs that will go forward, and they are the ones who have to run the district council. So we try to stay away and not interfere in the overall process. We only try to support in the administrative aspect of running the council, and whatever support we can give from the government side, we try to give not just to GHADC but to all the district councils.
Ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association mentakasngi kalakot eka jingya lang juki sengya lekai ba per ban kentiu yaki kamya lekai hapo ka jela. Habakran hakila pathai Khubor u president ka MSOA uba John F Kharshieng ulaya thu bakani ka jingya lang kalong ban kentu yaki sengya lekai ban ai jingmut ban kentiu yaki jingya lekai ba per hapo ka jela.
Ko sarkar mta ko ka kadang ngidangnya kejiyakran kumlo ba kan kersyang kat balai na ka ke baki asyan kila dap sak sarkar di kani long ka exercise wi ba shubu mo ka ke ba war ni kwa kita nak matala ndai khat wi mta ngi akran mene ke oklami ka district mo khat di kumlo ban pengkai ni ki asyan mene ladang ka input mo kumna ka boxing ba kila yok teng abro ki district igar hanrai ka aji pat undang jaga mo ka infrastructure hab ya share di nama hak liap no itu ban pelong no ya kabar nutan itu tenisnya ko we ji ka di kini kilong ki ke ba ni slok mene no bangin la ban kersyan ye mar tin mau baka hak national games nin habban host like briefly di shubul kum garbi ta ka don hak si nomor ba matno sian pardon bo betul ke dia jena ka lesi nataki don sekali asian di bangin nang hak ban ya te kani ke jing ya kana mentasi ke de tik buat kita di asian kala syakot sorka buat kibala li ai kot Iceland de li ai ki jitawa ki buat ni guna se nomor ni pat ni syakot pat kala sorka tingi ko ani sfu jumut ki hadukat no ni ya keren sorka kai ke bakin la ai kai ke minimum ipa ni pan chispa ne sing sorkar ka laipo saupo persen nimti yoki ai dot ni nam ni di ndai kadi ke jing keren jumi lo maksud tu kumno ba ke ikicing kersyang ke baki asian di rangkam nang beliau sei yakira katsa
Knang banumbu hakajing ki kmiki kpa ki balit on bade shaw school ya ki khon ka deputy commissioner East Khasi Hills ka kong Isa Wanda lalu kala sha ban ya ki kali or but even tang na banta ban lit on bade shaw school ban pendon kam hakiwe ki jing don kam kani kalong hadin baka DC jong ka East Khasi Hills district ka kong Isa Wanda lalu kala yo ka jingker pat na ki babon balang ban pendu no e ka jing pentre kam ya ka or but even knang bakanum kta e ka jing lit on bade shaw school. Badak itu ki khubor ngilapoi syakabakun tarhadu bangin daya syambiang kublai shibun.